Well, here's our first job of the morning. Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart in for stage 1 map. Still on standard clutch. Little bits and bobs that we've got to do, get Jason to do first. We've got to fix this earth lead. And Jason's just plugged in this O2 sensor, so it's had some work done to it recently and they're not quite finished. So we're going to finish that off. We've checked the oil, it's all good. It's got some beautiful Dynodaze hoses on it. It's a very nice white Railliart, so we shall get crack-a-lacking. Happy Monday morning, Richard.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Monday-ish.
Monday-ish.
Have we got any cats in this car or not?
No, no cats. Fully decatted, my friend.
Oh, no cats.
Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, beautiful Railliart. You love it, don't you, mapping these? Do you know?
Do I? Or is that you telling me that I...
I'm telling you though as well.
You're telling me that I love doing it.
Yeah. Do you know that you have mapped more Colt Ralliarts than anybody else in the known universe?
Do you reckon?
I know so.
Do you reckon that's actual fact?
I know so. For a fact. Yeah, so you'll sleep better tonight knowing that fact.
I will, yeah. I sleep loads better, mate. Thanks for... it's a great weight off my mind.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I was just wondering whether I'd map more Railliarts than anyone else, and now I know. Well, let's get some power out of this bad boy. Okay, so there we go. We have a Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart in white, and it's done very well. As you can see, red line as it came in, blue line as it leaves. And we've finished on 200 brake horsepower and 224 foot-pound of torque. Well done. Happy days, Rich?
That's all right.
Yeah, happy with that? Tightening some hoses back up. Another one in the bag.